It's meal time in Onyebunam's family. Look at them. They've lined up to come and eat with Auntie Grace as the hostel mommy that is sharing the food. As the matron sharing the food. Hi. Look at them, how they line up. And this is not all of them. Chinyere. He's in for a while. He's in for Gary. Look at line up. Look at line up. Line up. Nah, the kind of tall go is Chinyere. The kind of height you have. Oh yeah, go and carry your food. Also.
Anyone?
One soup, one guy.
You fit finish that one.
Onya gwa go eri onya na eri nina.
Leave that one.
So leave that one. Ila in the full hand, you better say leave that one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All of you. What?
I'm African boy.
Carry your food, let him know whether
This one is okay.
carry
Drop that.
there, carry.
It's not gonna carry it.
If you carry, you go. Kaimalo 9-4.
Why they look at
Otondo. Pot of pepper soup. Adios. Oh, yeah, no, I'm some money. I was going to say, Dime tika kumbu.
I'll na hostel.
Na hostel.
Nke ezigbo ego.
Kamula, kamula awai.
Bute. Where are they? Come and be taking food. Get it. Milk.
Live video.
Go and call your
Go and call everybody.
Yeah, no, what are you saying? What are you saying?
What's that? I'm just there.
See them. This one is on purpose. What's wrong? Hey! Hey! Chinyere. Start taking. Don't push down my camera. If you take it, go this way. If you take it, this is what meal times look like in this family. Every single meal time, rinse and repeat. Everybody is happy. It's the festive season after all. Don't push down my camera. Hey! Carry me, they go. So only one remaining. Where is Izube?
She's dressing up.
Dressing up. Praise came here first, and I told you to call and call everybody else. I don't know what he was doing. What were you doing then? And everybody came and carried all the food, and now he came. He's like, "Where's my own now? I want to call everybody."
Camera, this is fair.
Camera, this is it. Okay, he's talking to you guys. I talk to them. They don't know that you're talking to them.
Check me now. I came first.
Don't worry, we'll give you. Wait. Are you sure there are still plates in this house? Okay, wait.
Can wash everything now.
Praise will agree to do anything for him to get his own share. I'll wash everything. Hi. For this one.
Go sit down for power.
This is what you call them. It's only you come.
You called them. I saw you the time you come. You said
Don't worry,
don't call
I'll
them.
give you a special one.
Thank you, ma'am.
As the person that went to call the others, and you called the others and you disappeared.
Oh.
Eh? Therefore, say what that thing now.
All the way to go in. You got in it here. What is your goal? And I put the course of tea.
I pass to get in a factory called Jane Butena. Thank you too. These ones are for the adults in other parts of the compound. Mama, my sisters-in-law, fellow wives, and any other person that can't come to this side to eat. Ma,
Tell you off then.
because you occupy space. Every time you need to check out board, you have to go and bath by exactly this time that food is being shared. Every day the same. Food has finished though. Yeah, I don't they look. I don't they wait for anybody.
It's not finished. Spoon and fish. Do you have meat?
Do you have what?
More meat.
Have you finished your yam?
No. You, no water, please.
No water.
I don't want more liquid.
You're waiting for more meat. After I put that in for you. This
Thank you,
American people. But this baby could just mine in her first. So that's it. Okay, blue bone cake. It's a good meat. You got the quiver. You got the one. Hey, say Jimmy, where is it?
I saw my cocoa.
Come back
Hey, I'll give them. I don't want to save it because Bunu do embosia maybe the name. I feel like one Casey ever. I don't think na Casey is good.
Camera.
Oh yeah, good. Who wants more? Price is opening up.
I want half meat.
Half meat.
I'm gonna say half yam.
Half yam.
Mm.
It's half now.
Why is okay?
Take half of one. You want more? You want more?
What do you want?
I thought you want to give me.
No. If you want yam, I'll give you yam. There's yam here, but not enough meat for the yam. Hey.
No, she's putting she's showing 2 pots.
One balloon can just name you. You will continue because why is it continuing?
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
And me and Casey. You and Casey?
Okay, tell
Oh my God.
Go on to 15, 16, 17.
She told you they just stay now, swear.
Feed the water before you step on it.
Water.
Kaya mo daw you
Saguni na kung kung sino
Free,
before
Jenna.
kaya mo tayo pwede.
Yeah, I think this is.
Wala na chupa na mahata niya. Chika sasa kwa kwa. Yo le kini. Sasa
Where is the
because ya no kunu wete kwa jiu. Somebody should give me now.
So I was telling this man collect that time, you know, he say, yeah, come here.
Anytime.
I
Come, you say, no, yeah, come here.
Please watch this thing. Let me take out my
I'm
husband's
calling him
phone.
since, he didn't answer me, say he's coming.
Auntie Grace and Chika argued about whose fault it was that the counting was wrong. Hello. Let me take out my husband's phone first. Hey. Okay,
I have asked her, she said she's eating. Bring plates. Hold this plate.
my baby that is helping me in the kitchen. No wonder I want to step. Hey, if we get any never, Juma, if this pot and half. What are we eating? I thought this is your walk with you. This one, empty pot. We had this pot filled to the brim and the other half here. Finished. Hey, I even managed to save my husband's soul because I completely forgot about it, and I was even asking them if they want extra. So tell me, what compares to this joy of cousins sitting around, eating, watching TV, getting to know each other? No matter where life takes them, they will always cherish these moments. This experience is invaluable. It's a privilege to give my kids and their cousins these memories. I had such growing up and I cherish it till this day.